What's up? Back again in Tokyo. I'm in my favorite place of Ikebukuro. Just got out of the hotel in Sakura. Right now, we're gonna go buy a drink. I'm with Jin and Mikhail on this trip. Anniversary trip of me and Jin. Mikhail's here. We had a couple of, I guess, things that we did. I didn't really care to vlog. Here's some random clips of it. And of course, yeah, this is last night. Yeah, look at Daddy. Yeah, I'm home. Ikebukuro. All right, so this is Sakura Hotel Ikebukuro. You got the kid bed or two people can sleep at. Yeah, you can. That's your closet right here. The luggage. There's the main bed, and then this is how the restroom. Ooh, look at that. I think let me see. All the lights. Restroom lights. Restroom. Look at this beautiful window. Whoa. They got the cool little TV. Refrigerator. We're gonna blast that. And phone and all the cool stuff. There's a lamp. Yeah. That's Mikhail's bed. If you know, you know. Go plan, boy. Don't know what that one is. There's all types of dressing. That's cool. Then this one, solid steak knives and stuff. Yeah. And then a bib. All right, this is Ikinari steak. Get some for me, okay? Did you rush to eat? No. Let's go get a family lunch. Whoa, nice. Mikhail's first gacha Shinchan. 4, 5. And then you spin it, Mikhail. Harder, harder, harder. Oh, what is it? What is it? Whoa, let me see. You got the green. Cool. You got the green guy. This one. Good job, baby. Hell yeah. See how the party is right now? Second up. Hello. Here's the man. Yo, so look at this 7-Eleven spread of ice cream. This is cool. They have Thunder big bars, but in ice cream form. And then the OG, the big bar. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and get this. Look at that. Alright. Thunder big bar. Give this bad boy a try. And Japan it's summertime. It's pretty hot. Hot evening, night. Big bar. Whoa. There's chunks of big bar inside. Wow. Good stuff. So, if you never had a Thunder Big Bar. They're one of the best chocolates to get. Not that Kit Kat stuff. Kit Kat's good in Japan, but get Thunder Big Bar. And try out this. I got this from 7-Eleven. But try out this Thunder Big Bar from 7-Eleven popsicle ice cream version. Wow. Ooh, this is super hot. I got me a pizza bun. Pizza bun. Look at Miguel's ready. It's hot. It's pizza. And Cora got me the Lipton. Ooh, let me try this bad boy. Last time I had this was like a breakfast, but if it has a word pizza stamped on it. Here it is.
Oh man.
Wow. Pizza. Capsule Raku Yoku. Oh, look at this. They have Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees mask from all of the series. Oh man, I'm a horror fan. I'm gonna get one too. Apex Legends gotcha machine, and there's a Street Fighter. What? Look at this. They have Chucky Gachapon. You get cool Chucky action figures. Get Chucky keychains. Wow. I'm gonna try this. Try my luck. Wow, Jin got the golden one first try. You see, Mika? Wow, and Thomas. Gotcha. There's 4 floors here. That's cool. Oh, look at that thing. Whoa. Yo, look at this gotcha mini vibrator. Whoa, if you know, you know. Gotcha everywhere. It's Chucky. That is cool. Look at this toy. Wow, Tamashi Nations, Chucky. We're gonna have a Luffy over here. I see it and all these other. Oh, that's cool. Look at that one. Goku, look at it. Oh, there's Zoro. That's cool. That's pretty cool, huh? These are Momofuku, or whatever they're called. Look at them little plushies, huh? Woohoo! Mini PlayStation controllers, and then these little keychains that look like pills, drugs, medicine. Brianna Gigante. Hey, look at that. Cool, man. Check it out. They have the new flavor of big swirly ice cream and Crunky. And then they even have a Haichu. What? Haichu? Swirly ice cream. And then, oh, Banana Susanna, Strawberry Pikachu, and Eevee. What? There's even Godiva. Godiva, strawberry, chocolate, wow. What? Oh, it's a shake.
And then push. Sorry. And after finished?
Up.
Okay. Thank you. Arigato.
What is it?
It's like to blend it. Go. Yes, wait.
Oh, it's giving milk. That's it. So this is the shake. They made a little frappe, and you gotta mix it up, and then it's a shake. Look out! Let me see your collection. What's the name? Do us a noodle head. Nice. Okay, what else? Show me next one. This is Daddy's own.
Let's try
Open it up.
the beetle.
What is it? Ooh, it's a Jason mask.
Wow. Look!
Got a Jason mask.
That one.
Yeah? Oh, I got this one here. That burnt one. The battle damaged one. Ooh. Yo, look at that. We got Chucky keychain. Chucky keychain, Mikhail. Chucky.
Come on, come.
Nice. Oh, let me see that. Let me see that. Come here, over here. Whoa, surveillance. Oh, what is that? A gold Thomas! So cool, Mikhail. It's golden Thomas. Cool. So we got the Chucky Child's Play. Chucky 1. And then we got the Chucky. I think this is 2. Where he's all sliced up. I need to get Tiffany now. Don't cry in the morning.
Let's go hotel. No more toy.
That's cool.
Pinapipili ko siya. Sabi ko sa, yung alam yung...
Other than that, what can I tell you?